It's okay now. So for the calculation of EC50, fine, why we need this one actually? You know, when you will prepare this dose response curve by using the helium, that's why we are preparing. If you will put this helium in the machine, jahaz, fine, then we can prepare the dose response curve of acetylcholine. You know, acetylcholine is a neurotransmitter. When you will administer, this acetylcholine will bind with the receptor present on our helium, fine, and then they will give the response as a contraction, fine. Means when you will just administer mumkin 0.1 ml acetylcholine, fine, then this acetylcholine will bind with the receptor and then it will cause contraction and they will give the response like this one. I will show you in the laptop, this one, fine. Same graph you will get in the system, but every time you have to double the dose. As 0.1, then you 0.2, 0.4, 0.8, you know, every time double the dose. Okay. And your response will also increase every time. But at the end, fine, when all these receptors will be saturated, fine, then you will get the same response in last two doses, fine. You will not increase the response. It's okay. So when you will get last two response, they are same, stop the experiment. Means this is your dose response curve. Fine. So from this, you know, you can make these two columns. One is the doses and second one is the response. This response you can measure by using the mastra. Fine. As here we have this mastra.
These are the
Okay. This one they are in centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, and in 1 centimeter you have 10 millimeter. Fine. So measure this one. As you can see here, it is 9 millimeter. This one. Just write down. This one millimeter. Yes, as a response. With 0.2 ml dose, check this one is arbatash, 14 millimeter. Fine. 0.8. Just measure all. Fine.
Okay.
So last these two response they are 35 millimeter. It's okay. So in exam we will not give you this graph. We will give you only these two columns.
Okay.
Doses and the response. Fine. It's okay. This is the maximum response. Fine. E max. You have to assume as 100 MIA. The maximum response. Fine. Now from these two you can calculate the response for the 9 millimeter. Means how much is the percentage response for this 9 millimeter. So how you will calculate this 9 divide by 35 multiply by 100. Means this divide by 35 into 100. Fine. It will give you 25.7. As the same thing, means even you can use the calculator in exam. Means this taksim 35 multiplied by 100. So 25.7. It's okay. Same for the 14. Arbatash. 14 divided by 35 into 100. 40.
For all of them.
For all of them. It's okay. Understand?
Okay.
So now it means you have these three columns now. In exam we will give you also this, you know, blank curve. Here you will found this, you can say the graph. Fine. Here you will get the doses and here you will get the percentage response. Ashra, Ashrin, Talatin, up to the 100 MIA. It's okay. So just you have to make the point. As with 0.1 ml dose, you have response 0 means 25.7. So just make the point. From 0.1 it will be 25.7. Ashra, Ashrin, Talatin. So in between you will get somewhere 25. With 0.2, this one 0.2 make up to 40. Fine, Keda. Or maybe we can make another graph so that it will be easy. But in exam it will be printed 0.1, 0.2, 0.4, 0.8, 1.6, 3.2. Fine. Here you will get 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So for 0.1 you get response mungkin 25.7. For 0.2 it is 40. Fine. With 0.4 53. Fine, just make here up to هنا ممكن 53 fine. Then 0.8 75
You can do it here. Yes.
yes fine. And then 100 Mia. For 1.6 it will be 100
And the second one
and
is,
this one is also 100 fine. So it means you can just make the curve kida, because just I'm drawing it will be exact, it will come fine. Now from this curve just make from this 50% response fine and make it down kida exact fine. So mumkin it will be 0.3, so your EC50 will be 0.3
Okay.
خلاص.
Nice.
From this one you can also calculate the PD2 value. PD2 value, it is minus log EC50. So now this one will be minus log EC50, it came 0.3. So just by using the calculator you can calculate the minus log 0.3. How much is the value? It will be the PD2 value.
This is calculated.
Yes. This is calculated. Even
Does
here
you
you
have
can
log?
calculate the scientific.
لا لازم نكرر.
Yes. So this one may be the minus log 0.3. Fine. It will be 0.523 you can say. خلاص.
Okay.
This one is the answer. Only this one if you will do it Mia
That's
خمسة
it?
درجات. Yes.
Nice. Thank you, Doctor.